Hi guys, it's Beth and welcome back to my channel. Today I am sharing with you what I did for the Stickier side of crafting collab for the month of October. So this is just a collaboration hosted by Houck's Crafty Cottage here on YouTube, and it's to encourage you to use up those stickers in your stash. And so this month I kind of kept it easy on myself. I had used up these were some glitter spiders, and I had used up 2 of them in September on some scrapbook layouts that I did using my Pinkaboo pad that I've been working on. And so I just decided to go ahead and use the rest of these up on some cards in October. A few of them you've already seen in the last card share I did, or the first round of card share I did from my Pinkaboo pad. But I did end up finishing them off, and wanted to go ahead and show you those. These were 3 of them that I finished earlier this month and was able to include in my first card share from the Pinkaboo pad. And so I just used, since the paper that I used kind of had a spider theme with the web and the spiders, I kind of made the little glitter spiders, and they do have googly eyes, which is kind of fun, little bitty googly eyes. Made those the focal point of these 3 cards. And then I've done some other ones that I used scraps on. So this is one I used a die. It was the My Favorite Things Dynamics die, and it is the horizontal collage cover-up. I don't know if that will focus for you. But this is when I was down to scrap, so I just pieced together a bunch of scraps and thought it needed something else, so I added 2 of those little spiders there in either corner. This is another one that I had done using scraps, and again, since there was a lot of spider web paper that I used as background paper in this pad, so I just added 1 of those spiders on there. And then 2 more using scraps. This one was just, piecing together a bunch of little scraps. And there wasn't a big spider theme, but I kind of felt like it needed something else. And so I just added, my sentiment did have a little bit of a spider web theme, which is kind of covered up by the spider here. But I did feel like it needed a little bit more pizzazz or something to stand out. And so I added the little spiders, and they are popped up. There's like a foam circle behind them, so they have a little bit of dimension, but it's kind of, I almost feel like I need to go and glue down the legs in some cases because they're getting caught on things, and I'm afraid it's gonna tear the spider's legs off. That would be horrible. So anyway, again, I kept it very simple this month just to save my sanity. But I did finish off a pack of 12, and these were from Recollections, so they would have come from Michael's. I believe I got them last year after Halloween. I thought they were really cute. So anyway, that's what I have for you guys today, and there is a list of participants in the description box below of other collaborators who are also trying to use up their stickers, so please be sure to check out their links in the description box below and go and see how they use their stickers. I've gotten a lot of great ideas from all the different projects that they have shared over this past year. So thank you guys so much for your time today, and hope you're all having a crafty day.